morning, Hannah. Look at her. Look at her. Where are you going? Where are you going? Okay. Baba. Good morning, Baba.
Good morning.
And what's up today? As usual, Baba is with his scratch. So by the way, it's around 12:56.
Mama.
12:46. I have to be very specific about the timing because Hetam don't like the time to be here and there. So मैंने सोचा है कि कुछ यमी सा ड्रिंक बनाते हैं बिकॉज व्हेन इट इज थर्स्टी ना तो आप लोगों को पता नहीं होता है कि क्या खाना है क्या पीना है, मतलब कि यू जस्ट फील लाइक ड्रिंकिंग एंड ओनली ड्रिंकिंग। एंड ऐसा बहुत बार होता होगा जब भी मैं कैमरा लगाती हूँ ना तो है ना स्टार्ट मेकिंग अ बिग नॉइज। व्हाई इज दैट हैपेंस? देयर इज शी। ओके, यू आर गोइंग टू हैव लस्सी, है ना?
Yeah.
So I'm going to make a lassi today for us. I'm going to have little lassi today. Yeah, है ना?
Yeah.
Yeah, है ना? Yeah, है ना?
Yeah.
Lassi you're going to have. Good?
Yeah.
हाँ?
Awesome.
Refreshing. Actually बनाने वाली थी लस्सी, रोज लस्सी बन गई।
I saw that.
In the summer season, you don't feel like eating anything. You just feel like drinking something or the other. No, Hannah?
Yeah.
Now this is Hannah's time to play. So I am trying maximum to give her statements or sentences which she understands. Bring your dolls. Bring more toys. Bring more soft toys and put in that. Bring. Oh, it's your favorite one.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hi, Hannah. Hello. Okay, bring more. Bring more. All of those. My love, you can see so much of stress on his eyes and ears and everywhere. So what's happening today? Ice cream shop remix. Okay, what's this about?
Mama.
Okay, Hannah, go keep it back. Okay, like a good girl. मेरे को ना अभी एक्चुअली मैं वो ऑनलाइन बहुत कोशिश कर रही हूँ बिकॉज आई नीड सम क्लोथ्स लाइक यू नो टू वेयर, स्पेशली पैंट्स, क्योंकि मेरा जो वेट है ना कीप चेंजिंग। मतलब पहले तो बहुत ज़्यादा मोटी थी बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रेगनेंसी एंड देन मैं थोड़ी सी रिड्यूस हो गई, अभी और थोड़ी सी रिड्यूस हो गई हूँ। तो वो जो पैंट्स है ना वो नहीं फिट हो रहे, तो मैंने ऑनलाइन चेक किया तो मुझे मिल नहीं रहे हैं। मैंने ये ड्रेसेस पहनना स्टार्ट किया है बिकॉज समर सीजन तो थोड़ा सा लूज काइंड ऑफ आई नीड। नहीं मिल रहे, देखते हैं बाहर जाके मिलेगा तो। अगर यू नो विजिटिंग अ शॉप इज बिकम अ क्वेश्चन मार्क फॉर मी विथ हेना एंड हेतम, आई कैन नॉट गो आउट, आई डोंट वांट टू गो आउट, ट्राई टू reduce, but देखते हैं अगर कुछ होता है तो definitely I will not take a risk of taking them and going, because last time हम लोग लुलु गए थे in the evening और next day I felt थोड़ा सा like you know cold जैसे, I was like so scared। मतलब अभी तो वो हो गया है दिमाग में कि बाहर जाओ या फिर क्राउडेड एरिया में अगर जाते हो ना तो आपके दिमाग में एक बैठ जाता है कि हाँ मेरे को कोविड हुआ है क्या। मतलब ऐसे कुछ नहीं था, बट देन लिटिल बिट होता है ना लाइक वेदर चेंज की वजह से। तो वी आर ट्राइंग टू अवॉइड, डेफिनेटली वी आर ट्राइंग अ लॉट टू अवॉइड सिंस कोविड started almost 1 year past, we never went in a crowded space। 2 बार गए होंगे, otherwise we go on the beach where nobody is there like around our car or around our space। पहले ना मैं जब भी फ्राई करती थी ना फिश को, एक तो सुबह के टाइम पे फ्राई करती थी और जैसे भी लाइक my husband want to eat or my son want to eat or anybody I want to eat हो तो फ्राई ना फिश को गर्मा गर्म फ्राई करके लेती थी पहले। वी हैव रियली नो एक्सपीरियंस विद दिस काइंड ऑफ कुकिंग रेंज। तो देखते हैं इस बार कितना बिल आता है। आई रियली हैव नो आइडिया, वी आर थिंकिंग दैट इट्स गोइंग टू बी रियली वेरी बैड।
Now I find a new backpack. Down.
Okay.
There's an image called backpack. You just click on the backpack and whatever Sprite you have, you can just click on the Sprite and then drag it into a backpack.
Okay.
And then yeah.
what Hetam is learning is something called as Scratch. Scratch for is used for kids for coding या फिर coding beginners जो है ना उनके लिए अच्छा है. So this is one of the app which I had taught him long time back, and then you can install a app called as Scratch Junior. Your kid is interested in doing coding. Coding is something which is new for all the kids. So if you guys or if your kid is interested, then don't enroll them directly for the courses, क्योंकि आपको पहले तो पता चलना चाहिए कि kid is really interested in coding or no. So the best option what you can do is the same thing I have done with Hetam. I install on Android, मतलब कि अगर आपके पास Android फ़ोन है तो आप इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं एक ऐप which is called as Scratch Junior. So install that app. It's like a puzzle basically. So let the kid play with that. Very easy, very simple. Let them play because every kid nowadays is intelligent, definitely. So let them play with this. If they can discover so many different games, then why not this? So if they are really interested, they will first work with this, they will play with this, then you will understand whether the kid is really interested in coding or no. And then you decide whether kid is interested in coding or no. This is what I had done with Hetam, and then after that I only taught him basic of Scratch, everything, and then I made him take a course which was like I felt what we already learned, they were teaching the same thing. This is how I taught Hetam Scratch coding, and now he is learning, in the sense he's playing by himself. So basic idea तो उसको मिल गई है, तो now he is like enjoying himself, creating lot of different games and all. So हमारी जो लाइट है ना, डिफरेंट लाइट्स है डिफरेंट रूम्स में, तो जब भी मैं शूट करती हूँ तो आई हैव टू कीप चेंजिंग. और बाय द वे अभी बज रहे हैं 3 o'clock and we never ate lunch. What's that word?
She.
Yeah.
Abli. Yeah.
What does that?
I can see my wound.
Oh, it's reduced now. You don't have any.
Hannah broke her wound. That's why it is gone. There is no wound, darling. There's nothing.
Hannah, what do you want to say? Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth. Play. We can play together.
Yeah, breathe.
Like this. Press with your palm. Press with your palm like that. Come on, do it. Very good, Hannah. You can do it. Keep down and do. Yes, leave now. Yay! It's gone very far. Okay, Mama and Hannah. Yay! My God, Hannah, so good, fast.